Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you my latest addition to my workroom, which is the Mittzon standing desk from Ikea. But before I start, I'd just like to ask you a little favor. If you want to see more videos and get notified, then please hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And with this out of the way, let's have a look at the desk. I bought this desk around Christmas time after I realized that I wanted to be able to stand and sit while working, and also spend more time in my workroom rather than downstairs in the living room, where I normally do all my admin and writing. As you can see, my room is pretty full with arts and crafts materials, books, CDs, musical instruments and other stuff. I wish I had more space and I would love a bigger home. But for now I needed a solution, and when I saw this standing desk called Mittzon on Ikea's website, I decided that I wanted to have a better look at it. With these things it's always best to check them out in the shop, which we did. Buying it was an easy decision and building it was pretty straightforward, as it comes partly assembled. The desk is big enough for a 17-inch laptop, and you can add an additional keyboard. The mug holder is a nice little feature too. As you can see, you can change the height by pressing the lever on the bottom, and when you stop it stays at the selected height. If you want to change it to a lower height, you have to press the lever and push the top down with both arms until you are happy with the height. It takes some time to get used to it. You can move the desk around as it has wheels attached, though it doesn't work well on carpet. And if you don't use it, you can just lower the top completely and leave it where you want it to stand. You can also change the angle of the desk by pressing the lever underneath. I am quite happy with my desk, as it gives me more options for working in my space. I can now work upstairs on a separate desk while using my table for making art or jewelry. I hope you liked my video. If you have a question, please leave a comment, and if you want to support this channel you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Until next time.